going on, guys, and welcome back to the Gould's Gaming and Tech channel. We are here with another banger. I gotta keep giving it to y'all, man. Lately I've been on like a weekend trend, dropping videos for you guys every Saturday and every Sunday, okay? I'm trying to give it to y'all when I know y'all off. Y'all been working all week, you're tired, you just want to sit back, chill out, enjoy some entertainment and some information, because I gotta give y'all something, you know, something worth, because I know our personality is great. But y'all need the news, y'all need the facts. We have the 5 biggest leaks or rumors for the Galaxy Z Fold 4. It was a big release of the Galaxy Z Fold 3 last year. It was pretty good, it performed pretty well. Galaxy Z Flip 3, not so much. Anyways, if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It's definitely appreciated. I appreciate you guys joining the fam. And if you're new or returning, make sure to hit that like button. It's definitely appreciated. So right now, we're here on tomsguide.com, pretty credible source. And they're talking about the Galaxy Z Fold 4, 5 biggest rumors. So this video is just in case you guys haven't been keeping up with the news yourself. That's what I'm here for. I'm here to give y'all, you know what I'm saying, the abbreviated version. All right, it says, number 1, you definitely know you're gonna get a more powerful chipset for the Galaxy Z Fold 4. Every year with any phone, it's not a big surprise. They always upgrade that chipset to give us faster speeds and better power as far as how the phone actually performs. So, you know, a more powerful chipset is not anything too surprising, but it will be a big deal when it's actually integrated into the phone. Number 2, a less visible crease on the Galaxy Z Fold 4 display. I recently did a video on a leak of someone comparing the Galaxy Z Fold 4 screen with the Galaxy Z Fold 3 screen, and you can clearly see the difference in crease as far as the actual depth of the crease. It seemed a lot more seamless and smooth. So how big of a reduction in that crease we're gonna see, that has yet to be seen. The phone hasn't launched yet, but we'll see that soon. But that will be a very big deal once it comes out. Number 3, the Galaxy Z Fold 4 will have a redesigned hinge. We all know that the hinge mechanism is the main attraction, pretty much, because the phone folds, of these flip and fold phones. So going from the Galaxy Z Fold 2 to the Galaxy Z Fold 3, they definitely redesigned that hinge, made it a little bit smaller, made it a little bit more protective of those pieces inside of that hinge mechanism. So I would imagine with the Z Fold 4, they're going to maybe even more reduce that size of that hinge, kind of tighten up some things as far as allowing it to be fully water and dust resistant. All right, going on to number 4, we all know the cameras always have to get upgraded. It is a must. We know the S series has pretty good cameras, and I think the Galaxy Z Fold 3 had pretty decent cameras, but we all know there always can be another step up from what we had previously. So the camera, I'm imagining it will be redesigned as far as the look of it, because that seems like the main attraction that phone companies pay attention to, and also the consumer. If you have a good camera and you're taking almost, you know, professional photographer type pictures, that's a big deal with consumers. All right, and number 5, the Galaxy Z Fold 4 will have upgraded or improved multitasking features. You guys know, you've seen all my videos on the Z Fold 3. It is a multitasking beast. I think the number 1 phone for multitasking was that Galaxy Z Fold 3. So I don't want them to make it too complicated by adding too much, because in actuality, everyone's not going to use every multitasking feature on the phone. That's just not gonna happen. It's nice to have it there, but you don't want to get too gimmicky with the features you add into the phone. So I think a good approach for Samsung would be to polish what they have and what they had previously in the phones. Take out some of the stuff that you notice people weren't using as much, and listen to the consumers. I say that to say they pretty much had everything that I would want in a multitasking phone on the previous generation, but I'm pretty sure there's something that I don't know I need that they know I need. You know what I'm saying? I know it's something. That's why they're in the business of making phones, because they know what I need. Those are the 5 biggest leaks for the Galaxy Z Fold 4. This is just, if you haven't been paying attention to the rumors, you know, I'm here to drop it off for you. But all that will be confirmed during the Samsung event, the Unpacked event. But thank you guys for tuning in. You know I like to keep these videos short and sweet. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.